How to fix gray out or disable option, pause USB PD charging when gaming on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, and then in here, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down, then tap on Advanced Features. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Game Booster Settings. Now in here, you can see the pause USB PD charging when gaming is disabled or grayed out. Now to use this feature, you need to plug your phone into a charger with a USB cable. Once you plug into your charger, this option will become available. And from here, you can then choose to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.